Hi, I'm Victor, and today I'm going to show you a simple science experiment. This experiment is on making hand sanitizers. So the items needed for this experiment are isopropyl alcohol, I use 99.9% of it, aloe vera gel, a container to put everything in, a mixing spoon, a measuring cup for 1/4 of a cup, cinnamon essential oil or other essential oils, a funnel, and a mixing container. And I also use gloves for hygiene purposes and clean the area beforehand. So what you need to do first of all is you have to measure the aloe vera gel and get 1/4 of a cup of aloe vera gel, which is around 60 ml. Once you got that in here, then you just pour it into the mixing container. And what we're going to do is we're going to do approximately 75% isopropyl alcohol-based hand sanitizer. So after that, you can get your isopropyl alcohol, and then you can open it up. And then you get 3/4 of a cup of isopropyl alcohol into the mixing container as well. So 1 cup, or no, 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. So now this is a total of 1 cup, and it's now all you have to do is mix it up together. So I'm going to close the isopropyl alcohol so it won't evaporate. And then now all you have to do is mix it. And then you can add in approximately 10 drops of essential oil. Alright, so that's approximately 10 drops. So what the alcohol will do is it's a good antimicrobial. So basically it will help to pretty much kill the fungi, the viruses, and the bacteria on the surfaces. For example, it'll help kill all the viruses on your hand, or most of it. And then we're going to use aloe vera gel so that it will help with basically making your hands a bit more softer after you use it. It's like a moisturizer. So now after you've mixed them together and you see it's pretty much a good consistency, then you can just transfer that into the container, the reusable container of course, by using a funnel. So put the funnel on top, container. Then now you can get this mixed hand gel that you previously made. You can just transfer it. And so that's pretty much it. Then you pretty much have the mixed hand gel in here, and now you can just swirl it in the container. You can just go ahead and start using it to clean your hands. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and bye.